boom. Back. Friday morning. Look at that, man. Ooh. New scarecrow. Blows about it when it's got a little spring up bottom. And, but obviously it's not windy because we've put it up. It's alright though, isn't it? Everything's growing. Settling peas have all died off, I don't know why. I'm convinced somebody's coming on here with weed killer. But look what else is growing everywhere. Barmweed and weeds. I've not been on for 4 days and this is what you come back to, you see. You've got to keep on top of them. So it's a weeding day today. Big weeding day. Everywhere. Right, brew time and then get rid of some of these weeds. Have a brew. Yeah, put that further up, Luke. Blown about a bit better now. I'll wait from up top in a minute. I'll go to Ken. He's having a delivery this morning. So, let's see what he's getting delivered. I've cleared all this. And I've put salt down these paths. Just got all that out. It's this bottom end. It's dirty and all these paths. Got that breathe first. Yeah, look at this tool. I was watching Dave's allotment garden and one of his subscribers gifted him one of these. And they're called Hurry Knife, but this is just a cheap copy. This is called a Niwaki. But what it is, it's a Japanese gardening knife. If you like, shaped like a treble. It's got all the cutting edges on. And it's dead thick. So it's good for cutting roots and that and weeding. So we need this today really. All these weeds. Yeah, see that one's coming off there. There you go. It's off. Gone. Now, look at our pumpkin. 4 days growth. Whoa, look at that beast. Looking okay, innit? This one's growing too. Look at there. So I've got 2 good ones on there. Let's just turn out. No more in there. But yeah, that one's coming off as well. Yeah, chipper chopper. Off it comes. That's coming off. There you go. Clean as a whistle. Good knife this. There you go. Yeah, it's booming on that pumpkin, isn't it? Beast. Right. What's up? Weeded. I'm at bed's got weed now. Just weeded round there. So look at all these spuds have come through. I'm gonna planted last week. So I'm going to earth them up in a minute. Get some compost on them if I can find some. That's in here. got some there. Look at the size of these tobacco leaves now. Just ridiculous. And the touching top of the tunnel now. So boom, it's not even flowered, these lot in here yet. The ones outside have flowered. Got a sweet corn growing in there, you can believe that. Got them carrot seeds off Ken. Look, his diddles. Yeah, these are all flowered, these, see. All flowering. Oh, they're just getting big now, them leaves. So they're doing okay. I don't know what's happened to these pea pods. I'm going to get them out next, and this barmweed. So I'll get that lifted up. That's enough weeding for today. I've got to feed these now. I'll just mix some tomato food. And off we go. What I'm going to do here. These here where there's flowers on that end. I'm going to cut them off. So we don't get as many tomatoes on. Then we'll get them ripening quicker. Just these bottom ones, because there's a pigeon just been in. It's just knocked all these flowers off. I don't know what I was doing in here. I've just had a cucumber off. There's another one growing. So I've just cut one off there. That's going like. There you go. So that's coming home with me. Cucumber butters. Just take all them pea pods out. Them pea plants. I don't know why they've died. It's a mystery. Same as this grape. But there you go. That's nature. I don't know why I'm blocking the window. Got a mistake then, didn't you? Feeding the rings. And I'm working tomorrow night now, but I've wangled Sunday night off, so I'll watch the England game. I don't have to go to bed early. Well, there's the result, and it's gone up 20 quid a shift. How good's that? So happy days. Cucumbers on that one there. Little bitty ones. This loafer's just too cough across top. It's got another arm coming out there, so I don't know what to do with that. I'll have to read up about that. But, looks like that's the loafer there. Yeah. And what I think you have to do is take about 3 or 4 of them off and just leave one on. See where there's loads there, there. We're going to nip a couple of them off, I think. But we'll consult YouTube on that one and get back to you. That little cutting's growing alright now, isn't it? It's taking off. Little sun gold. All looking okay. I don't know how that Shirley's looking like a plum, but it is. That's supposed to be a Shirley, that one. The jury's out on that one too. Right, that's them fed. Let's have a look in there. Yeah. Rastus. There's Henry at greenhouse. I don't know what he's doing. Planting. Fuck that. He's after something. Look at the size of these. Just look at these beef ones. They're bulking up now, they're dead heavy now. Proper fruit. Just saying. There's tomato flower. Yeah, I can't believe that pigeon. Just caught a pigeon in here, you know. So these will all pop through now. About 3 inch top growth on. So we'll top them right up to the top now. With this compost. And then that's them done then. Forget about them. There you go. All topped up. Forget about them now. Nearly 2 bags of compost, that's just it. Strawberries on here. Neat. I've got my bucket for them fish. I'm going to Trev's, my mate, for some fish. He's emptying his pond, so I'm having some goldfish off him. I don't know what he's up to. I don't know what I'm up to. Yeah, that's me for this morning up here. I'll be back up again at morning. But won't get them fish now. Gonna make pond at home. I'll get home. See you in a bit. I've just took a load of strawberries out that bed down there. Put some chicken manure in there. No, I wouldn't. Farmyard manure. I'll top it off with some compost and then put these strawberries in. Hey!
There's 2 more there, strawberries.
2 more? I'll get them up in a minute. Just dug these up from round there. The bonnet plants, so we'll put them in this bucket. There you go. A little bucket full of strawberries. I'll need 2 hands for that. Yeah, some more here. We'll get them out and get them. These are them pink ones, like.
We're getting some thingies on too, mate.
What?
Courgettes.
Where?
Oh, when do they come on? Who's put them? Who's put them on?
Little marrows. Welcome.
Who's fitting them from Tesco?
Have you stuck them on then?
No.
I've stuck them on. No, I've not. Okay. Oh well, it's a big veg bed then. Get them grown into marrows. Marrow. Yeah, never noticed that. They must have grown a week. There was none on last week then.
Really honest today.
You stuck them on, haven't you? Fraud in us. Pea pods. What? Oh, collar. Ah, go on. You won't take that broccoli off before it blows.
Oh no, I've just broke a leaf and put it up top, but leave the things in anyway down at bottom.
Hey, there we go.
Just starting.
A good collar. Anyway. Yeah. Nice one. Good collars on. Yeah. Come all at once. Oh, this one's ready as well.
one, they're a smaller one.
Yeah, because these were cut them off last week. They were growing little heads on. So we'll be able to have them later on. But take some off, put them in the freezer. I'll get a couple of them off now. All these are died off now. These tassels. And what they do is shake about, drop on to them tassels there, and there's our sweet corn. Started. Tassels on top, so that's one out road. Well, they shouldn't be long. Full of sweet corn soon. Looking a bit weed free now. Bit down there. There's weather what's doing that. Yeah. There's a cucumber and another broccoli. Henry's just got one as well. Huh? Eating them spuds.
It's so big.
Just tried them Jersey Royals. See it. There's a few little ones underneath. Here's a chief spud taster. That's us know when they're ready, lad. Thumbs up. Yeah, definitely. Hey, back at the ranch. And me and Blue's just been for them fish. Come here. Let me unbuckle him. Yeah, get your bra off. He's that harness one, it's a beast. And I've been for them fish and they're here. I don't know think it's so good because there's not much room in there from the try to get to the bottom. So I won't get them out because they're monsters, like. I won't just put them straight in. Hopefully, fingers crossed because they're big, they'll be alright. We'll get them in there. So they're in there. Fingers crossed. See that up. Hang on. Yeah, they're in there. So fingers crossed they'll be okay. There's one. There's another. There's 4 big goldfish and a big green tench. There he is. You see him at bottom. He's about 10 inch long. We'll only see him when it's clear proper, but yeah. Big beast then, that big one is here, they're coming up. Big fat one, the size of him. Looks like Moby Dick, Goldie Dick. Yeah, looking for food anyway, so can't see that tench yet. I'll be harding for a bit. There's plenty of food for it at bottom anyway. Oh, that lily's coming out too. There. So that should be out. So it looks like a white one or a yellow one. I'll put that up anyway. This is a big stanic garden anyway. Keep an eye on these fish. There you go, Trev. They're in. They're all looking happy, waddling about. Look like you've been feeding them on, but I think they'll lose a bit of weight in here. Right, let's go and have a brew, Blue. See you later.